Rachelshairstyle. Yeah, Rachelshairstyle. Got to know.
It's on the beat, baby.
Rachelshairstyle.
Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make flaxseed gel for hair growth. Flaxseed gel is very amazing when it comes to hair growth, and in case you don't know, this is flaxseed and this is how it looks like. Okay, that is about 3 or 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. So the next thing I do is I have boiled water and I added all the flaxseed, and I'll continue to stir like so until it is getting out all the gel. You can see that it's becoming slimy. Okay, when it's becoming slimy like this, you off the gas. It is ready. You let it cool. Okay, don't let it stay cold too much because you will not like what you will see next. Okay, in this video you'll be seeing all of that. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up and help me to share. So this is what I was telling you people about. Don't let it to get too much cold. It was too cold, so I could not get the gel out this way. On a normal day you can get the gel out just by sieving it like this, okay, if you don't allow it to get cold. But because it is a bit cold, the gel is so sticky, so it refuses to come out. So I'll be showing you the other way you can also do it to get out your gel very fast. All right, yeah, so don't forget to subscribe like I said before, and give me a huge thumbs up and also help me to share. So I'm going to be using this cheesecloth to get out the gel. Okay, yeah, so in case you don't have a cheesecloth, make sure to do the first method. Make sure to don't let it cool, sieve it out with your sievers immediately so that you can get out your gel. So with this other method, you're going to use your cheesecloth and you're going to be squeezing it like so. You can also use handkerchief if that is what you have available if you don't have a cheesecloth. So just press just the way you're seeing me do in the video until the gel start coming out. Okay, yeah, it is very important to do this method and press like so. Do gently so that you don't tear the bag. All right, so you see the gel has started coming out. All right, yeah, so keep on watching while I press out all the gel as I allow you guys listen to some cool music, and don't forget to subscribe as usual and give the video a huge thumbs up.
I beg you, make it always time. I bring it to your notice. No good dog, I love go inside Italy city. No good dog, I love go. Say Rachelshairstyle. YouTube, make you go subscribe, yo. Give me the block for you. Say what you waiting for. Rachelshairstyle. So Rachelshairstyle, you know what's up, you get the style, you know. Rachelshairstyle.
It's on the beat, baby.
So this is the gel that we got out of the flaxseed. This is how it looks like. So right now I'm going to go in with my oils, everything that I need to use this to detangle my hair. So I'm going to be going with amla oil. Okay, this is amla oil. I will just add some few tablespoons of the amla oil. It is very also good for detangle and pre-poo for your hair. So I'll just add about 1 tablespoon like so, and I'll mix it very well. Yeah, you can use extra virgin oil or any other oil that you have, but I prefer to use amla oil because I want to use this as a detangler. I want to use it to detangle my hair because my hair is dry. Yeah, so if you have dry hair, you can do this. It is very, very amazing. So I added some few drops of rosemary essential oil. You can use any other essential oil that you also have available. So I'll mix, and I'll pour this into my application bottle, and it is ready to use.
Rachelshairstyle, yeah, Rachelshairstyle, got your love.
It's on the beat, baby.
Rachelshairstyle, yeah.
Guys, the next thing I'm going to do is pour this into the application bottle, and it is ready for me to apply on my hair. So watch till the end so you see how I use this on my hair. Don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up, and also help me to share for more people to see this video.
So waiting you there, wait to subscribe. I beg you, make it always try. I bring it to your notice. No go down, no go down. I look inside Italy.
So right now I'm going to be applying this gel on my hair. You know, the gel has been mixed with oils, so it is very, very good way to use to detangle your hair because my hair is also dry. You can see how it is. So I'll just apply from the root to the tip, okay, like so. Yeah, let me tell you some of the benefit of flaxseed. As you watch, flaxseed is very, very amazing when it comes to hair growth, you guys. Flaxseed gel helps to reduce hair breakage, it promotes hair growth, it prevents hair loss, it soothes the scalp. It is very, very amazing. It contains vitamin E. In fact, flaxseed gel is packed with vitamin E and other stuff. It can help to strengthen your hair. It helps to fight against dandruff. Its oil are very, very beneficial to hair because they contain omega-3. It helps to soothe your scalp. It nourishes the scalp. It balances the pH level of your scalp. It is so amazing. You can use it as hair mask. You can use it to make hair oil. You can use the hair oil to massage your hair. It helps to hydrate dry hair, most especially if your hair is dry and damaged. You can always use flaxseed gel. It is so amazing. It helps to improve hair growth. It also moisturizes dry hair. It nourishes the scalp and prevents split ends. So it is very, very amazing. If you're watching up to this point, I want to say a big thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a huge thumbs up, and help me to share.
Rachelshairstyle, you know what's up? You get the style, you know. Rachelshairstyle.
So that's why. You see.
Rachelshairstyle, yeah, yeah, Rachelshairstyle, you got her love.
It's on the beat, baby.
Rachelshairstyle, yeah, yeah, na 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 na, Rachelshairstyle. Are you in for? When you in? Someone say Rachelshairstyle. Hold on. So if you look for a channel on YouTube, where they current on lifestyle matters, rachelshairstyle. That's where you wanna be, where you wanna be. So what you waiting for? So wait till you dey wait to subscribe. I beg you make it always time. I bring it to your notice. No go down, no go down. I love snow, I love go inside the jolly city. No go down, no go down. I love snow, I love go. Say Rachelshairstyle. You to make you go subscribe, yo. Give me the block for you. Say what you waiting for? Rachelshairstyle. So Rachelshairstyle. You know what's up.
Sit on my hair for 40 minutes to 1 hour, then I'm gonna watch. So if you're not subscribed up to this point, don't forget to subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up, help me to share. See my next one. Bye. Ciao.